East European or the Russian plain lies towards the western portion of Russia. The Russian plain is a rolling lowland, meaning it is not completely flat. It is wavy in nature. At least its surface is wavy in nature and is not more than 457 meters. It extends from the western boundary of the country towards the Ural Mountains, the mountains that divide Europe from Russia. Russia's Volga River, originating from the Valdai Hills, runs through the central Russia into the Caspian Sea, forming a delta.